Need to fix slow download speed on Play Store? Then here's a step-by-step process on how you can easily fix this issue. Start by moving into the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll down and then head over to Apps. Search for the application Google Play Store and then move into it. Once you're in this page, once again you have to scroll down and then head over to Storage. Once you're inside the storage, tap on Clear Data at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once again tap on Delete. Once the storage has been cleared, it might fix the issue that you have been facing. If not, head over to your connection and check whether you are connected to stable Wi-Fi or not. Make sure that the internet connection is strong enough. If not, try using the cellular data and you might be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.